Hello Orono community.
I'm Lydia.
And I'm Sarah, students at Orono High School. We look forward to welcoming you and your family to the 3rd Annual Community Wellness Expo on Thursday, May 2nd from 5 to 7 p.m. at the beautiful Orono Activities Center. There will be so much to do at the expo. Purchase a handmade pottery bowl, try hands-on service projects, learn about volunteer opportunities, and so much more. You can even join us to make 1,000 sandwiches for the Sandwich Project of Minnesota, visit with North Star Therapy llamas, try family yoga, pickleball, and watch a roller skate performance.
Don't cook and come hungry and plan to purchase dinner at either Squeaky Cow or Al's Chile food trucks. There will also be free ice cream. We are also asking that guests bring some spare change for the Activities Center Scholarship Fund. And a special thank you to Orono Healthy Youth and for Orono's PTOs. Thank you so much again for their partnership. Don't forget that is on May 2nd and we still need volunteers and items. Go to oronoCommunityEd.com for these links to sign up. Again, it's on May 2nd, a Thursday from 5 to 7 p.m.